Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9693XX. 53,000 miles. On this Terrain comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Champagne silver metallic in color. The Terrain is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. This Terrain has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, lane departure warning. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, powered driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in a perfect driving position. 3 gauges. Set the forward collision alert with buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Could even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Heating and air conditioning with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices, spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 3.6 liter V6, 301 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.